Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tag Design. Today in CorelDraw I will show you how to create a professional flyer design. So in this video, I'm going to explain it step by step. Let's start. First, select an A4 size page. Then with the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle on the page. Again, draw another rectangle like this. Set its height to 130 mm and its width to 170 mm. Convert it to curves. Now with the freehand tool, draw a line like this. With the shape tool, adjust the rectangle evenly. Then delete the line. Next, with the rectangle tool, draw another rectangle. Set the width to 30 mm and the height to 200 mm. Rotate it by 330 degrees. Adjust it here. Convert it to curves. With the shape tool, enlarge its corner. Now rotate it by 270 degrees. And adjust it here. Select the Smart Fill tool. And fill color in this area. Delete the rectangle. Select all three shapes and weld them. Delete the outline. Now with the rectangle tool, draw another rectangle. Set its width to 15 mm. Rotate it by 330 degrees. Adjust it here. Make another copy. Rotate this one 270 degrees. And adjust it at the bottom. With the Smart Fill tool, fill color here. Delete the rectangle. Select all shapes and weld them. Now right-click on the empty space and import a picture. With the shape tool, slightly reduce its corners. Adjust it here. Give it a different color. Now select this rectangle, remove the fill, and add an outline. With the freehand tool, select the B-spline tool. And draw a line like this on the side. Bring it forward with page up. Also draw a similar line here. With the Smart Fill tool, fill it with color. Delete the rectangle. Select all the colored parts and weld them. Apply an interactive fill with gradient color. Now draw a line here. Adjust it and fill it with color. Again, Draw another rectangle here. And give it color. After adding some text, I will show you the final result. So this is how you can create a professional flyer design. If you like the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.